What's going on, guys? So, the gift for gab, the ability to be able to talk and talk and talk and talk and talk, is something, as motovloggers, we all think we have. But the question is, do you really have it? So, we all do motovlogs, we all talk. Well, the people out here that are motovloggers and YouTubers, we all talk, and we all talk, and we all talk. And that's what we do as motovloggers. We ride our motorcycles and we talk. So my question to you is, can you talk consecutively and create a video out of it? So I belong to a Facebook group, Motovlog Challenge, etc. Whatever. I don't know what the fuck it's called because I really don't pay attention, and I haven't been on Facebook in like forever. So, but anyway, I don't know if anybody has ever thrown this challenge up before, but I'm going to throw it up. And I'm sure I'm not the first one to do it. Where am I going here? Okay, I know where I'm going. So, as motovloggers, we create videos, and the majority of us edit our videos down to cut out the dead space, to cut out what we don't want anybody to see. Our screw-ups, our mistakes, all that other shit. So, I would personally like to challenge each and every motovlogger out there to record a video. Record I would say anywhere between a 7 to 10 minute video using one camera, and because this camera's running right now, but this camera's only running because I'm trying to get a time frame going on for how long this video is, so I can actually see if I'm doing a 7 to 10 minute video without being able to edit it. So this will be the first one up. So doing a 7 to 10 minute video, I don't need to overdrive, of just talking, one camera, single stream, no edits whatsoever. Throw in your intro in the beginning, your outro in the end, but other than that, no no editing a video other than that situation right there. I know a lot of guys like to put in fancy little stuff. I'm a simple guy. I can do this. I know I can do it because there have been many times in the past where I've been filming and I just talk and talk and talk. And the only really editing I do is switching back and forth between cameras. So I am not going to be switching back and forth between cameras because, you know, I'm going to do this as the challenge. So I'm going to make this one video 7 to 10 minutes long, no editing. I will play my intro in the beginning, and the only editing I will do is, or the only thing I will add to it is music at the end, like I normally do when I fade out. So I want to see how many people can do this. I mean, granted, it's November, and I know a lot of people are not going to be able to get this done this year. There are people that are in warmer climates that if they choose to get it done, they will. So are you able to do it? Because I'm a simple man. Like I said, I'm a basic bitch on YouTube. I don't do a lot of editing. I edit my videos with iMovie, which doesn't have none of the fancy doodads that all y'all are accustomed to. So, like I said, the only thing I do is I throw in little bits here and there. You know, if I need to throw in a picture, if I cut back and forth between videos or between cameras, that's all I really do. You know, I don't need to get fancy. I don't want to get fancy. I like being simple. It's just much easier. My edit time is down because of that, because I can run my mouth. You know, my wife tells me all the time that ain't nobody else likes to hear you talk. I'm like, but yourself. Oh yeah. So, and I do like to hear myself talk, and that's why I thought this would be a great hobby for me to do, motovlogging. It's the only person that I'm talking to is myself. Well, I'm talking to you guys, but technically I'm talking to myself inside my helmet. So, you know, so yeah. So I don't know if anybody else is going to catch up on this, is going to do this, but I'd really love to see you guys try it, you know, because like I said, I know a lot of guys edit, and that's fine. I edit too. When I need to edit, I edit. But can you do it? Can you do it without having a shit ton of dead space? I'm trying to just keep this on rolling, and so I'm going to be rambling here for the next minute or two, and just talking about anything popping up into my head. And I know people do that. There are guys out there that will just ramble, talk about whatever pops into their head, and that's what I'm doing. So I don't know. Is this challenge something that's been out there already? I don't know. I've never seen it. I will have to go back and double check on Facebook on that challenge accepted, or Motovlog challenge, whatever page that is. Maybe I'll link it in the description below if I can find it. I don't know. So I know I'm supposed to be a part of it, but I don't know if I really am. So I'm saying so a lot. Anyway, that is something I just wanted to throw out there. You know, single camera, no editing of video at all. You know, like I said, you can put your, if you have an intro, put your intro in the beginning of the movie, in the beginning of the video, put your outro in the end, but the body of the video should be solid, no edit whatsoever. So I see here I just hit my 7 minutes, and I'm still rambling after 7 minutes. So yeah, so anyway, let me know what you think about this challenge. If you think I'm an asshole, if you think I'm stupid, hey, feel free to comment down below. So if you're interested in doing this challenge, please let me know. Look at the horses. So yeah, I would love to know if you're interested in doing something like this. So, alright guys, that's all I got for you. I'm well over my 7 minutes of just talking and rambling in a single camera and not doing anything else but a single camera. So I guess I'm going to be out of here. Alright, my friends. Oh, wait a minute. Until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Love one another. Peace. No, hold on. I just want to see something on here. In the previous video before, I went by this gas station and didn't have a canopy, the Sunoco. And somebody had mentioned in the comments that, somebody locally had mentioned in the comments that it was torn off when Ida came through. And that was the first I heard about that. So I'm assuming they're putting a new canopy back up. So I want to go out and check and see if the canopy went up. So it's right around the corner up here somewhere, right around the curve up here somewhere. So I'm just kind of curious. And plus it extends my video, and I'm still talking. See, I can do it because I have the gift of gab, and I love the sound of my voice in my head. Yes, I do. So let's see. Wow, a lot further than I thought it was. That'll be up here at the next light, which will be coming up on very, very shortly. I would play the Jeopardy music, but I'd probably get copyrighted for it. You know, alright, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Red light too. So, did they put the canopy up yet? No, they did not. And, oh, that's diesel. I thought that was super. No, they didn't put the canopy up yet. So, I won't ever be getting gas there in the rain. Alright, guys. I've rambled on enough. Until next time, my friends. Y'all stay safe. Love one another. Peace. What's up there, my fellow biker friends?